Hello students, welcome everyone to my channel JJ Class of Learning Science, and this is our part number 4 of chapter number 2, class 10, chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. In the previous part number 1 we have discussed about some of the physical properties of acid, some of the physical properties of base, and we have discussed about complete discussion where was about most part of the discussion was based on one indicator. In second part we have discussed about the chemical properties of acid base, chemical properties of acid and base, and we have differentiated the how the chemical properties different in case of acid and base. In third part we have discussed about what things are common in case of acid and base, and we have discussed about dilution. This is part number 4. Here we are going to discuss about strength of acid, strength of acid and base, strength of acid and what base. This is our part number 4, and we are going to discuss about strength of acid and base. Now before coming into this part, go watch in part number 3 so that you can understand this part better. Okay, so let's begin. We know that acids are of different kinds of acid are there, but mostly there are some acids are strong acid and some acid are weak acid. Now if you are talking about strong acid, in case of strong acid, there is dissociation of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion is liberating completely. Most of the hydrogen ion is dissociation, okay, breaking up, okay, clear. If hydrogen ion is responsible for acidic character, in case of strong acid, hydrogen ion is dissociating more. Like in case of mineral acid, hydrogen ion is dissociating more. That's why they are strong acid, okay. But some acids are weak acid, as in case of like inorganic acid, they are weak acid, because in case of them hydrogen ion dissociates less number, okay. That's why they are strong, they are weak acid. We know that there are also bases are two types. There are some bases are strong, some bases are weak. The base in which hydroxide ion dissociates more are called strong base, and some bases where hydroxide ion dissociates less are called weak base. Clear? This much to clear. Now if you're gonna talk about strength of an acid, now by using litmus, several other indicator like litmus paper, we can differentiate what is acid, which one is acid, which one is base. But by using by hibiscus, we can identify which one is acid, which one is base. By using methyl orange, we can identify which one is base, which one is acid. By using onion, we can identify which one is acid, which one is base. By using vanilla also, we can identify which one is acid, which one is base. But these are the indicators. These give us the idea about which one is acid, which one is base. But if we are talking about strength, neither of this, not anyone or anyone of this such indicator do not give us any kind of idea regarding the strength of acid. How much acidic, how much basic. These indicators are not giving us any idea about their strength. So when you are talking about the strength, so strength of acid and base, we can identify, or we can understand how much acid, what is the strength of an acid by using universal indicator. Clear? Universal indicator. Now indicator we know which shows different kinds of the smell and does in different mixture of acid and base, okay. क्लियर? जो मतलब एसिड एंड बेस को सेपरेट डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए डिफरेंट स्मेल देता है या डिफरेंट कलर चेंजेस करता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? इंडिकेटर बोलते हैं. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिकेटर, इन यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर इज आवर pH. व्हाट इज आवर pH? यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर बाय व्हाट is pH. pH is known as universal indicator. Now what is universal indicator? It is generally the collection of many indicator, and this is universal indicator known by pH, and this collection of many indicator, which this collection is have a range of this pH. Talking about pH, this pH have a range of 0 to 14. Like in universal have a range of 0 to 14, and this shows different color for different pH, for different color for different pH, it shows different color. Clear? Universal indicator is composed of various other kind of indicator which shows different color for different range of pH, okay. Now what are those combination of indicator? So if when we are talking about this kind of indicator that used in preparation for universal indicator are water, propanol, phenol, phenolphthalein, sodium salt, sodium hydroxide NaOH, NaOH, methyl red, thymal blue, sodium salt, and bromothymal monosodium salt. These are the indicator that used in the preparation of universal indicator. Ultimately is what our pH. And this pH have a range. This pH have a range of 0 to 14. 0 to 14. Kind of scale you can take, kind of pH scale. Now this pH what came from German? Came from what? German. Came from German, where P means potence. P means potence. This M means what? Power. Means what? Power. The power of what? This pH. P from P meaning of pH was potence, means what? Power. And this came from German word. So P means power. Power of what? Power of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion. This pH is a kind of scale. It measures the power of hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. It measures about the hydrogen ion concentration, how much hydrogen ion is present. Now if this gives us an idea that our acid contain hydrogen ion, but the base contain what? OH minus. Now if we are talking about pH scale, that means we are talking about only the hydrogen ion, H plus ion. We are talking about only H plus ion. Now where is OH minus ion? OH minus ion. Remember this point. Every acid and every base contain both H plus and the OH minus. Acid and base both contain what? H plus and the OH minus. But if we are talking about acid, in case of acid, more amount of what? H plus concentration, less amount of OH minus concentration. Okay. Now this question may come. Do base contain H plus? Yes, base contain H plus. Yes, base contain H plus. But in case of base, OH amount to concentration of OH minus is more. So when we're talking about acid, specifically we are talking both are present, but H plus is more. So instead of indicating what OH, we usually say in case of acid H plus is present. Okay, but both are present, but H plus concentration is more than what? OH minus. But if we're talking about similarly, if we're talking about base, in case of base what happens? OH minus is more, H plus is what? Less. Now our pH is a scale. It is over the range of 0 to 14. 0 to 14. 0 to 14 is the range. And in middle of this there is what? 7. There is what? 7. In the 7, when the pH equal to 7, the solution is called neutral. Solution is called neutral. Neither acidic nor basic. Clear? Neither acidic nor basic. On this. Now what happens? If the pH equal to 7, neither acidic nor basic means what? Neutral. That means in neutral, H plus equal to OH minus. OH minus. Amount of hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the amount of OH minus. That's why it is what? Neutral. Neither acidic nor basic. Now, if you are crossing, whenever pH is decreasing from 7, that is coming from below 7, the nature of acidic is increasing. Acidic nature is increasing. Clear? 7, if you हम लोग मतलब जब 7 से मतलब नीचे गिर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है? एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी बढ़ रहा है. And if you talking going what further what 7 increasing, हम लोग 7 से मतलब ऊपर जा रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी और एल्कालाइन प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. क्लियर? अगर 7 न्यूट्रल, 7 इज द न्यूट्रल, 7 से नीचे आ रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अगर 7 से ऊपर जा रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीजिंग. नाउ इफ समबडी में आस्क दिस pH 0 is the when pH equal to 0, it is highly acidic. When pH equal to 14 is highly basic. In case of pH equal to 0, most number of what? Maximum number of hydrogen ion is present. When pH equal to 14, maximum number of OH minus is present. Clear? So whenever going downward from 7, our pH is what? Decreasing. And as the pH is decreasing, the acidic property increasing. And if the pH is increasing, acidic property decreasing. When you're talking about acidic property, our OH, we're talking about H plus. If the pH is decreasing, H plus property is increasing. अगर H plus increasing, acidic property increase हो रहा है. मतलब now pH equal to 7, pH equal to 9. In which of these hydrogen ion H plus is more? As in case of this one pH is less, so in case of this one H plus is more. H plus is more. But in case of this one, OH minus will be more. OH minus will be more. Clear? If the pH is decreasing, then the H plus is increasing. H plus मतलब इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन उल्टा एक दूसरे का, मतलब एक बढ़ेगा दूसरा गिरेगा. ओके, एक घटेगा तो दूसरा बढ़ेगा. लाइक इफ द pH is increasing, OH minus is H plus is decreasing. If the pH is decreasing, H plus is increasing. एक बढ़ेगा तो दूसरा घटेगा. ओके, opposite of each other. ओके, मतलब inverse proportion. If the pH is increasing, now if I mention by using different color, our both the solution. In case of this, what is happening? Both acids, say for orange property for the basic. Orange is for the basic, and basic for what? OH minus. And if we are talking about what our red portion is what? Our H plus, our acid. Now that means in whole pH scale, what is happening? In whole pH scale, both H plus and the OH minus is present. That means all acids contain H plus as well as OH minus. All base contain H plus as well as OH minus. But in case of acid, OH plus more, OH minus. See here, this is the bond, this is the border. Here H plus and the OH minus are what? Here, this on this part, this both are what? Equal. But as I am crossing what? 7, increasing from 7, what is happening? OH minus is more. And the H plus is what? Less. But if I am going what? Down to 7, what is happening? OH minus is decreasing, but H plus is increasing. See, clearly from this you can understand. If I am going down from 7, what is happening? OH minus is decreasing, but H plus is increasing. As I am going from what? I'm going what? From 7 से बढ़ रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है? OH minus बढ़ रहा है, H plus क्या हो रहा है? कम हो रहा है. Okay, both acid and base contain H plus and the OH minus. अगर हम लोग but this pH scale only measures about hydrogen ion concentration. If the hydrogen ion concentration is less, that means OH is more. If the hydrogen ion concentration is more, that means OH is less. Clear? And depending on the hydrogen ion concentration, we can classify which one. Some acids are strong, some acids are what? Weak. So if the pH is ranging 7 and near about 7, like 8, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4. Here 8, 9, 10. These are what? Closer to 7. As it is closer to 7, so they are weak. They are what? Weak. This range 7, 8, 9, 7. I'm ranging from 7, 8, 9, 10. These are what our weak base. But if I'm traveling from what? 11, 12, 13. So these are what? Strong base. मतलब ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ क्या हो रहा है? बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट ऑफ OH माइनस इज प्रेजेंट. हियर H प्लस इज वेरी लेस. सो दीज आर द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. दीज आर द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. ये साइड तो पूरा बेस ही है. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. दीज आर द वीक बेस. As I'm coming from this way also, I will see same. This side is what? 8, 9, 10. So this pH are closer to what? 7. As this pH are closer to 7, what is happening? These are what? Weak acid. But case of this one, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the what? Strong acid. As in case of this 7, 8, 9, 10. These are what? Closer to 7. So as I am closer to 7, acid become what? Weak. Or the base become what? Weak. But if I am traveling more, going further away from the 7, what is happening? pH is increasing. As the pH is going far, more and more separation, what is happening? It has become stronger, or it has become stronger acidic, or it has become stronger basic. Clear? समझ में आया? अगर मतलब 10, 11 से मतलब दूरी पे all are strong basic, 7, 10 से दूरी पे all are हो रही है sorry 6, 5, 4, 3. तो 3, 2, 1 0. ऐसा हो गया तो 7 से मतलब गिरता हुआ अगर चले गए तो 7 के पास कौन सा है? 6, 5, 4. ऐसा मतलब ये सब क्या हो जाएगा हम लोग का? मतलब वीक एसिड. ये सब क्या हो जाएगा हम लोग का? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. सिमिलरली ये सब क्या हो जाएंगे? स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. ये सब क्या हो जाएगा हम लोग का? वीक बेस. ओके, मतलब यह अगर दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पीएच. यहाँ से कोई भी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है पीएच के बारे में. कोई पूछे तो मतलब आसानी से आंसर दे पाओगे. मतलब होप अच्छा लगा, मतलब समझ में आया होगा. मतलब इफ यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग देन पॉज एंड बैक अगेन. ओके, ये वाला कभी नहीं पूछेगा मतलब एग्जाम में व्हाट आर द इंडिकेटर दैट कंबाइन टू फॉर्म व्हाट पेज. कभी नहीं पूछेगा. मतलब जानने के लिए है कौन सा इंडिकेटर लिया जाता है. व्हाट एज द यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर इज कलेक्शन ऑफ कंपोजिशन ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इंडिकेटर. तो यहाँ से जानना जरूरी होता है प्रोस्पेक्टिव कौन सा इंडिकेटर दिया जाता है. वाटर, प्रोपानॉल, फिनोल्फ्थेलिन, सोडियम सॉल्ट, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मिथाइल रेड, थाइनोल ब्लू, सोडियम सॉल्ट एंड द ब्रोमोथाइमोल सोडियम सॉल्ट. ओके, मतलब मोनोसोडियम सॉल्ट. ओके, मिसिंग समथिंग. मोनोसोडियम सॉल्ट कभी नहीं पूछा जाएगा बट जानना जरूरी होता है. ओके, तो मतलब समझ में आया why it is important to strengthen acid base as some acids are strong as some acids are weak. To understand this we need to identify the strength, and the strength of acid and base can be identified by using what universal indicator. And universal indicator is our pH. pH is came from the word P is what potence means, what German word means power, and it determines the power of hydrogen ion concentration. Power of hydrogen ion concentration. If the power of hydrogen ion concentration is more, it is acid. It is less, it is what our base. Okay, it determines only hydrogen ion, but somewhere OH minus is also related to it. Okay, clear? समझ आया इतना मतलब अच्छे से? तो देखो मतलब जल्दी से नोट बना लो. अभी वन थिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट, मतलब अभी मतलब पीएच तो हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिया अच्छे से. तो पीएच से मतलब क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, कभी मतलब पूछा जा सकता है, कभी कभी पीएच का मतलब यूजेस पूछा जाता है, अब मतलब प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स आर सेंसिटिव टू व्हाट पीएच. मतलब पहला वाला यूजेस क्या होगा, मतलब प्लांट्स एंड व्हाट एनिमल्स आर व्हाट सेंसिटिव टू पीएच. दोनों क्या होता है, pH के लिए क्या होते हैं, सेंसिटिव होता है. लाइक आवर बॉडी ह्यूमन बॉडी हैव ए pH ऑफ व्हाट, इन pH रेंज ह्यूमन pH हैव ए रेंज ऑफ व्हाट 7 to 7.8. 7 to ह्यूमन बॉडी pH व्हाट रेंजेस फ्रॉम, ह्यूमन बॉडी pH ranges from 7 to 7.8. 7 to 7.8. Under this range our body pH what lies. So question may come like this: what is the pH range for human body, and the human body pH range is what 7 to 7.8. Clear? अभी मतलब एसिड रेन के बारे में पूछे तो कब एसिड रेन, मतलब वी टॉकिंग एसिड रेन, तो कब व्हेन द रेन बिकम एसिडिक, इन नेचर. अगर पीएच व्हेन द पीएच इज लेस देन 5.6, इट इज कॉल्ड एसिड रेन. अगर मतलब रेन का पीएच क्या हो गया, अगर जो रेन का पीएच क्या हो गया 5.6 से कम हो गया, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, एसिड रेन. क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, एसिड रेन. सच रेन वेयर पीएच इज व्हाट लेस देन 5.6. ओके, क्लियर? देन डाइजेशन पे क्या होता है हम लोग, मतलब सॉइल. ओके, पीएच ऑफ सॉइल मतलब जानना जरूरी होगा, पीएच ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ सी सॉइल, pH of soil. So this is very important. Plants while they're growing, they require a specific pH, and it is around 7. If it is around 7, that means it is neither acidic nor basic. Okay, मतलब जरूरी जानना होता है, मतलब प्लेंट्स को ग्रो होने के लिए मतलब स्पेसिफिक pH होना चाहिए. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई सभी टाइप का प्लांट मतलब हर जगह पे नहीं होता है. ओके, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस के लिए डिफरेंट टाइप का फ्रूट होता है, डिफरेंट टाइप का पेड़ होता है, फॉर स्पेसिफिक दिस रीजन, बिकॉज सम plants require a specific pH for their growing, and different places के different pH होता है. For that reason they are what, अगर मतलब according to survey plant मतलब best growing मतलब pH होना चाहिए मतलब around 7. That soil should neither be acidic nor be basic, मतलब in the range of neutral होना चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत बीच में. ओके, अगर इसी के लिए मतलब कभी हम लोग देखते हैं मतलब if the soil is becoming too much acidic, we are using what, some kind of baking soda or baking powder in the soil, so the mixture become what, so the soil becomes what, neutral. So for that so if the soil is neutral, so it becomes what, more productive for the plants to grow. Okay, तो मतलब how pH is important for the soil के लिए, plant growing के लिए कैसा मतलब important होता है, जान सकते हो यहाँ से. This is the two मतलब using of daily life uses of pH. अभी मतलब one thing is important also, our digestive system is in our indigestion process में क्या हो रहा है, during this process while food enters in our stomach, food enters in our stomach, तो लिख सकते हो topic pH in digestion, pH in what, digestive system में मतलब कैसा होता है. तो as when our stomach produces HCl, hydrochloric acid what, hydrochloric is a kind of strong acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid produced by the stomach. To why it uses hydrochloric acid? Okay, because as the food is entering in the stomach, this may contain some kind of bacteria. So because of this acid, this kills the bacteria, and for this reason what, our food becomes a bacteria free. Okay, it also helps in the process of what, digestion. But now what happens sometimes, if the acid become what, more. Okay, if the acid become more, तो we feel what, acidity. We feel what, acidity का problem होता है हम लोगों को. Okay, acidity का बहुत ज़्यादा problem होता है. For that we feel some kind of what, pain, and to relieve this pain, to get relief from the pain, we usually take what, some kind of pills. Okay, we used to say like this, gas pills. Okay, gas pills. This contains what, this contain magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. This is known by milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide, or sometimes we usually take baking powder. baking soda, which is a kind of what? Base. Kind of what? Base. And this base, as magnesium hydroxide or baking soda is a kind of what? Base. This neutralizes the acid and we feel what? We feel relief from the pain. Okay, समझ में आया? मतलब food after entering into the stomach, it meets with hydrochloric acid. As the hydrochloric is acidic in nature, so it make the food acidic. But because sometimes what happens, because of excessive acid क्या हो जाता है, मतलब हम लोग acidity हो जाता है and we feel pain. To get relief from the pain, we usually take some kind of pills. That pill contain magnesium hydroxide or baking soda. These are of what? Basic in nature, and for that reason we feel what? Relief easily. Okay, after some time. Clear? समझ में? These are the uses of pH in our daily life. अभी मतलब कौन सा? Oh, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesium, it known by milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide. Okay. अभी we usually say the word, बच्चों के मतलब teeth क्या हो जाता है? Decay. Teeth usually decays. Now what happens usually? There are some kind of bacteria present in our mouth, which usually do after eating. What happens? Some amount of sugar left in our mouth. Okay, this bacteria do what? They converts the sugar into what? Acid. Okay, those bacteria present in the mouth. Okay, the food that left in our mouth, they convert the sugar present in the mouth, they convert the sugar into what? Acid. अब मतलब अब the acid मतलब they are converting the mouth sugar into what? Acid. तो as the this become acidic, और अगर एसिड लेवल बढ़ता गया और अगर मतलब एसिड का लेवल क्या हो जाएगा 5.5 से मतलब क्या होगा? कम होगा. If the tooth मतलब अगर inside of the mouth if the pH is getting what? Less than what? 5.5, so it because of the what happened? Tooth decay start. We have to know the our outer layer is called enamel of teeth. Enamel of teeth is composed of calcium sulfate. Clear? कौन सा? Calcium phosphate ये वाला मतलब outer layer of the teeth, enamel of the teeth is composed of calcium phosphate. It is the hardest substance of the human body का मतलब hardest substance होता है मतलब teeth enamel. और अगर मतलब pH का मतलब वैल्यू क्या हो गया? less than 5.5, तो क्या हो जाता है? मतलब pH का वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है? 5.5 से मतलब कम हो रहा है. तो because of this what happens? The tooth decay start. So when what is the pH on after which what tooth decay start? So when the pH is less than 5.5, tooth decay starts. Now we usually take what? Brush after waking up from the morning. Why usually do brush? Because what happens? This toothpaste contain what? Base. Base, and this base what? Because of base and the acid present in the mouth, we base and the acid, because of this neutralization reactions happens, we'll feel what? और मतलब एसिड ऑन दे मिक्स टुगेदर फ्रॉम न्यूट्रलाइज रिएक्शन होता है, उसके लिए हम लोग मतलब वैलेंस हो जाते हैं. ओके, क्लियर? मतलब दो तार मतलब मैंने बताया डेली लाइफ में यूजेस. मतलब अभी मतलब सम इंसेक्ट इफ वी टच देम दे यूजुअली व्हाट? बाइट, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ बाइट व्हाट हैपेंस? दे सेक्रेट सम अमाउंट ऑफ acid in our body. These are known by for some like ant bite. Okay, and sting. Okay, and sting. They give us what kind of acid? Formic acid. And because of this formic acid, we feel some kind of pain. But we usually do what? We usually apply some amount of base on the what upper part of the body, and we feel what? We get relief easily because of this neutralization reaction. Now the may comes. Why मतलब those insect sting us? Because we are trying to killing him. Okay, so they are for their protection, they are just what? Releasing some amount of while they are stinging us and releasing some amount of acid in our body. मतलब they don't want to harm us, but they are for their protection, मतलब they are doing this. Okay, these are the some uses of pH in our daily life. This is all about today's part. Hope you guys मतलब loved it, and so share with other मतलब friends of yours and subscribe my channel. Tata, bye bye, see you tomorrow.